Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Logitech MX Keys S wireless keyboard, a game changer for anyone who spends a lot of time typing. Whether you're a professional, a student, or a casual user, this keyboard is designed to provide an enhanced typing experience. The Logitech MX Keys S comes with several impressive features, including low-profile keys, quiet and precise typing, and programmable keys for enhanced functionality. If you want to upgrade your workspace with a keyboard that works seamlessly across multiple devices, you're in the right place. And don't forget to check the description below for a special discount code and purchase link. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes the MX Keys S stand out and why it might be the perfect choice for you. The Logitech MX Keys S is as elegant as it is functional. With its slim, low-profile design, this keyboard saves space while providing a premium typing experience. It's the perfect addition to any workspace, from home offices to corporate environments. The low-profile keys are designed for a smooth and quiet typing experience, making it ideal for those who need to type for long hours without causing distractions. The keys are well-spaced, offering the right amount of travel, and they provide excellent tactile feedback. If you're someone who prefers a more compact, minimalist setup, the MX Keys S is the perfect fit. Its sleek, graphite-colored finish adds a touch of sophistication to any desk, making it look great while being highly functional. The keyboard's build quality is top-notch. It's solid and durable, with a premium feel that stands out among other wireless keyboards. Whether you're typing emails, writing documents, or coding, the MX Keys S will provide the comfort and support you need throughout your workday. One of the standout features of the Logitech MX Keys S is its programmable keys. These customizable keys allow you to set shortcuts for tasks you perform frequently, enhancing your productivity and streamlining your workflow. Whether you're working on a document, performing research, or managing projects, the ability to assign custom functions to the keys saves you time and effort. For example, you can set shortcuts for copy, paste, or opening your favorite applications. This makes repetitive tasks much faster and easier to perform. Another great feature is the backlighting. The keys automatically adjust their brightness based on the ambient light in your room, ensuring they're always easy to read, even in low-light conditions. Whether you're working late into the night or in a dimly lit environment, the MX Keys S ensures you have clear visibility of your keys. The keyboard also features seamless Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to pair it with multiple devices. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS, giving you the flexibility to work across different platforms without any issues. You can easily switch between devices with the press of a button, making it ideal for anyone who uses multiple devices in their daily workflow. With USB-C rechargeable functionality, you won't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. A single charge provides long-lasting power, so you can work uninterrupted for hours on end. When it comes to typing, the Logitech MX Keys S takes the experience to the next level. The keys are designed to be both precise and quiet, reducing the noise typically associated with mechanical keyboards. If you work in a shared environment or prefer to type quietly, this keyboard ensures you won't disrupt others around you. The low-profile design allows your fingers to glide effortlessly across the keys, providing a comfortable typing angle and reducing strain on your wrists. This makes the MX Keys S perfect for long typing sessions, as it helps to minimize fatigue and discomfort. With the smooth, responsive action of each key, typing feels effortless. Whether you're writing a report, drafting emails, or coding, you'll notice how the keyboard enhances your typing speed and accuracy, helping you get more done in less time. The precision and comfort of this keyboard help you stay focused and productive, even during long work hours. It's an ideal choice for professionals, students, or anyone who types regularly and values both comfort and performance. To wrap things up, the Logitech MX Keys S wireless keyboard is truly a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their typing experience and boost productivity. With its low-profile, precise keys, customizable programmable keys, and multi-device support, it's the perfect addition to any workspace. Whether you're working on a desktop, laptop, or mobile device, the MX Keys S makes switching between platforms effortless. The backlighting ensures visibility in low-light environments, and the quiet, responsive typing experience helps you stay focused and comfortable. If you're ready to take your workspace to the next level, the Logitech MX Keys S is the perfect investment. Don't forget to check the description for the discount code and link to grab yours today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.